Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. If you're working in Jira Cloud, especially using team-managed projects, you've probably noticed a change in how the parent-child relationships are handled. Atlassian is replacing the epic link and the parent link with a unified field called parent. So in this video, we'll break down what does that mean to you. Let's get started. Jira is moving to a single parent concept across all spaces. That means that in company managed projects, the old epic link and parent link fields are being replaced. Instead, Jira will use the same parent system already found in the team managed projects. This gives you a consistent experience across all levels and no more juggling different fields or links depending on your project type. So how did it work before? Well, the two links were used differently across Jira standard version and Jira Premium, as Jira Premium allows you to create levels above the epic level. So in the free and standard version, you had the epic link connecting all the items below the epic to the actual epic, and you had a parent link between your subtasks and the story bugs or tasks for which the subtasks were enabled. When it comes to items in the hierarchy above the epic, for example, initiative or themes, a dedicated link type called parent link was used, and in that case that was a separate field, so you already had epic link field and a parent link field. Now with the latest changes, all these links are standardized and a single field parent is used to determine the parent-child relation, all the way from the subtasks through the stories, epics, initiatives and themes, or all the levels that you configure above the epic level. So how will this affect how you use Jira? Well, first of all, let's see how you can create the parent link. It's really straightforward. There are different ways of doing that. Let's have a look at some of them. When you open any of the work items, you will see the parent link in the details section of your issue screen. So all you need to do is just click on it and select a different epic if you want to create a parent link to the different epic. Same applies to the epics, although I do not see them in this view. Let's switch to the timeline view, for example, and when I edit the epic, you will also see the same parent field, this time linking me to an initiative that I created. Now there is an alternative to that. You don't really need to click on the parent link here. You also have the breadcrumb and you can unlink the parent. So you'll see the add parent button right here. And when you click it, you can select work item from the work types that are configured to be above the epic. And again, for that particular action, you will need Jira Premium and a configured hierarchy. Also, when creating issues in your spaces, you will see the parent, and again you can just select the work item that you want to connect. When it comes to your boards and backlog, you will still see the epic in the lozenge format on each work item, so there are no changes as for that moment. When it comes to searches or filters, all your saved filters or searches will continue to work, but moving forward you will use parent instead of the parent link or the epic link in your JQL. So for now at least, the epic link is still working, but to achieve the same result, all you need to do is select the parent equals to epic, and the results of this query are exactly the same. Keep in mind that the epic link data has been already copied to the parent fields. That means that you can use the parent instead of the epic link and you will receive the same results. Now, one important thing, since Jira is combining these two links, the epic link and the parent link, using the single link or single field the parent, the search results of your previously saved queries might return different results. This is because previously the parent field was used between the tasks and the subtasks. So in other words, when using functions such as parent is not empty or parent is XYZ or is not XYZ and so on and so forth, such queries can now include work types other than the subtasks only. But if you want to focus on the actual subtasks only, in that case, add a function that narrows the search results to a particular issue type, such as the subtask. If, however, you're using parent is empty, you might notice that this query returns less work items, as the results will not longer include work items that have an epic link value. These queries will need to be manually updated based on their intended behavior. Last thing is that the parent field will be also used when importing and exporting data from Jira. So what does this mean? It basically means that you need to map the parent ID to the new parent field. While the parent field standardizes the way Jira handles parent-child relationships, Jira's hierarchy is great for teams, but it's a nightmare for portfolios. Jira wasn't built for complex portfolio hierarchy, but your PPM tool should be. We specialize in helping teams implement and master tools like Structure, BigPicture, or EasyBI to give you the cross-project visibility you're missing. You will find more information in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.